Hey guys, today I am going to remind you how to turn in work on a Canvas assignment, especially with a Google Doc or a Google slideshow, just to make sure we're all on the same page. So most of your work in here will be either through a Canvas quiz, which is pretty self-explanatory. You just answer the questions and submit, through text boxes, uploading slideshows, uploading a Google Doc, okay? And I cannot tell you how many times I open something and I can't grade it because I don't have access to it, okay? So I just want to make sure to reiterate how to submit assignments to make sure that me and all of your other teachers can see them, okay? This is one of your first assignments that you complete for me, which is your Get to Know Me template, which is a slideshow. This process of turning in work will be applicable to most things that you do in this course. So you see the assignment, of course, and then sometimes I do remember to give you the reminder to make sure to update the sharing settings. So you choose your submission type. So typically I will give you the option of providing a web URL or doing a file upload. So you can either download your assignment as a file to your Chromebook and then upload it as a file, or the easiest thing to do is to do the web URL, which is what gets students into trouble sometimes because I can't see it. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to do a web URL and I'm going to submit my assignment. So I'm going to do my little get to know me. So I'm going to go to share, and this is the same process as on like a Google Doc too. I'm going to share. And typically it defaults to this restricted. Okay, so when you're working out of an assignment, it will default to restricted access, meaning that you are the only person that can see it. Before you submit your assignment, you want to make sure you, under the access, you change it to Charlotte Mecklenburg Schools. I don't think you guys have the ability to do the anyone with the link on your Chromebook. I think your two options are restricted. Add people, or do Charlotte Mecklenburg Schools. If you change it to Charlotte Mecklenburg Schools, I can see it because when I'm on Canvas, I'm logged in with my CharMech account, okay? So make sure you change the access, copy the link, paste it. Once it recognizes it, you can submit it, and then it'll show you that this is what I'll have access to, okay? So just make sure you do that and everything will be a-okay. If it becomes a habit, I will just give you a 0. I will put a comment, I'll give you a 0, and I will say I cannot see it. And then if it's late points will be deducted by the time that you get the access fixed. So please make sure when you turn it in, you're just turning it in the right way. And then if you wanted to do a file upload, again, you would just have to download your assignment. So you would go to File and Download. And you could download it as a PDF or a PowerPoint. If it is not supported by Canvas, I won't be able to see it, and I will make a comment for that as well. But I'll just go ahead and download it as a Microsoft PowerPoint. And then I'll open it, which might take it a minute, and it will convert it for you. And this is in protective view, so I don't even think you can do this one as a PowerPoint because of the restrictions on it. So don't even worry about that. Let's try to do it as a PDF. There we go. So if you do it as a PDF, you can go to Print, Save as PDF. I'll save it. I'll name it something like, I'll put my last name, or first and last, whatever helps you find it in your computer. And then I'll go to Upload. And then you have some options here, webcam photo, Canvas files, or drag a file here. And I'll go to my documents. I'll search for it. I know I did it by my last name. So, and I know it was Meet the Teacher. There it is. It will upload. Once it's uploaded, you can click Submit. and then you can see where it's uploaded. Okay, so that's the two ways to do it. You can either do it from the URL, which to me is faster and easier as long as you change the settings, or you can download it as a PDF or a file. You can probably do Word if it's a Google Doc, and upload it that way. But either way, you need to make sure you are submitting assignments correctly. If you have any questions, let me know, and if not, I look forward to seeing and grading all your assignments this semester.